for long. Hit! Good shot! Sorry. Gun head! Head! That's extremely awkward. Head! Dead man! He's not playing well today, is he? One more.
Steaming up like a bastard.
I'm just not playing well today.
Warm up game, Chief.
I'm just still not playing well. I suppose.
Well, yeah, that was kind of cheating shot, but any glasses?
Yeah, size in the fucking thing.
Yeah, I was shooting through the skull, so it was kind of cheating. How was your leg?
Hmm?
How was your leg today?
Better.
What the fuck is Nicholas, блядь? 11.
Goggles off, Go, magazine, come there. Hey! Back right wheel. Safe. Hey, if someone really wants to take it, gonna.
12 o'clock, it's next. He's always late. Fucking 1.5 hours.
He's always late. Not a couple of years ago, so that's affecting different ways.
Я, бля, по-любому. Щит, катулка. Камалка первая рейза.
Let's mix up teams.
Huh?
Let's mix the teams up.
Fucking English.
One more time, please.
Let me fucking see things now.
Yeah, I'll get these with you.
Hmm?
And then done for you.
Yeah, okay.
What?
Huh? Good.
Uh-huh.
Ah,
Oh!
I'm gonna be with them. And us four.
you 4 with you.
Us four against you.
Because you were the fucking Terminator today. You feel fucking invincible.
А, что-то, голая парда с машинкой, с этим пиздец. Да, патри не говорите, полковник не посуду, но наверное, он просто что пили.
The very next day, we get away. I love Christmas coming. I want Christmas.
I know,
I love Christmas.
even I'm excited for Christmas this year.
I love Christmas. But it's not about receiving gifts, it's about giving gifts.
Hmm.
But
I scraped my fucking arm against the thing. Over. I can feel fucking yesterday's ones. There was a
a guy on 320, 324 DPI.
Jesus.
Dude, and
Right
I
on the
was
fucking
roasted,
limit.
And I was roasted, I put my jacket off and he was just bursting my hand. Like,
Oh, lovely. Lovely.
Ja, lass es.
Pum, pum.